Hello, you banana enthusiasts out there. Welcome to the second ever Bananuary. Bananuary banana. Bananuary banana.
Hi guys, so this is my submission for the Bananuary 3D printing contest. Here what I've got is a tiny wood launch pad, which basically is my old design, but I've swapped in the bananas as the stand, and then I've also remodeled the offset of the launch pad holder itself, and widened a bit of the stopping tab, if you want to call it. Right, so let's jump into the video where I've actually printed it. But before I switch to that video, just want to explain a bit about the mistake I've made before printing. So this cutout slot here on the actual printed model is way too shallow for the tab to sit inside of it to actually work. But as you can see here, it stops perfectly. Well, obviously I've got an angle limiter there, but in the actual printed one, this tab is outside of here because the cutout is way too shallow for the bearing. So the whole bearing and the tab is outside of the slots here. But now I've updated it. If you want to print this from the file that I'm exporting now, then it should work just as fine. Right, okay, let's jump into the video then.
Okay, so here's a quick demo video of the 3D print itself. As you can see, the cutout is way too shallow for the tab itself, and it won't actually stop. So in a bit, when I do the launch control demonstration, I'm just gonna blue tack it, blue tack the stopping point, so it doesn't actually goes backwards. Because of the offset, the way of the tiny wood, it's going to weigh towards the rear end, so that stopping point is really necessary for it to work. So yeah.
Banana.